In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus is stuck on VoiceOver mode. Now, if you have enabled VoiceOver and if your iPhone is stuck in VoiceOver mode, now there are two methods you can fix this issue. Now, the first method is that you can ask Siri to turn off VoiceOver by just saying, "Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver."
Okay, I turned VoiceOver off.
And as you can see, Siri has disabled VoiceOver. But if the Hey Siri feature is not enabled on your iPhone, you can just press and hold on the side button and you will enable Siri. And similarly, you can ask Siri to turn off or to turn on VoiceOver. For example, I'll ask it this time, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, I turned VoiceOver on.
Siri. Swipe App Store.
Now let's say if Siri is completely disabled on your iPhone, so in that case, to turn off VoiceOver, first of all, just swipe on the screen using 3 fingers.
App Store. Home.
Now if you open the page where the Settings app is located, just tap on the Settings app to select it, then double tap to
Actions
enter.
available.
From here, just swipe up using 3 fingers on the screen,
More for your iPhone. Page 2 of 4.
then tap on Accessibility. Now just double tap on Accessibility to enter into the accessibility settings. From here, just tap on VoiceOver, then double tap to enter. From here, just tap on this VoiceOver option to select it, then double tap to disable VoiceOver. As you can see, we have successfully disabled VoiceOver on our iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.